Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to show with you guys. This package was sent by Adam, so thank you very much, Adam, for sending this in. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please, gosh darn it, follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. These narrow boxes, really hard to throw it. I missed a bunch. You guys didn't see that, but I missed a bunch. Probably right on the middle is probably the right way to do that. I think at this point, I'm just going to tear into it. All right, maybe right there. Let's see, I don't need to sharpen this scalpel. I don't need to sharpen it. Oh. What do we have here? Hope there's a note. Well, there isn't, but I definitely know what this is. Well, I mean, truthfully, I get the Atom and Neutron mixed up, but I believe this is the newest version. The V2, right? TRM. Is this the Neutron or the... I'll just put it up on the screen right now, right? Ready? Bloop. That's what it is. Yeah, so this is the newest version. There's little O-rings on the studs. Okay, so I know this knife is hard to get. This is an American-made knife. It's obviously very preferable, very popular amongst the knife community and reviewers in general, and I can absolutely see why. We have a very thin profile, very thin blade stock, very thin blade profile, right? So you get a nice thin edge, premium materials, 20 CV, and carbon fiber. It's all right. I gave the last one a really positive review because it is a really good knife. It's one of those knives where, okay, so it's not like the, I'll give you an example. The Benchmade Bug Out and the Spyderco Spidey Chef are very recommendable knives and very good designs. And, you know, aside from the price all the way around, very recommendable, right? They just didn't do it for me, and I really just don't like them very much. This is not quite that. I still like this knife. It's the first versions of it that I handled and reviewed, extremely recommendable. You can go back and watch the reviews on those. I think I've handled both the large and small. I can't remember. Almost 1,900 uploads now. It's hard to remember. That's kind of, my feelings were like, yeah, this is obviously really good. I didn't like it enough to keep it. Now this one, I'm going to have to explore a little bit, figure out exactly what's different, what's been changed. Right off the bat, extremely smooth action, extremely. And if I'm not mistaken, this is, I'm finding out if it's fingernail or meat of my finger to do the reverse flick. I think it's going to be fingernail. Yeah, those O-rings catch my fingernail a lot better. I believe those are phosphor bronze washers in there, which makes it great for day-to-day stuff. How long have I wonder how many videos I've done in a row with ink on my fingers. Sorry. If you see a bunch of videos that I've done and I've got ink on the tip of my fingers, I did all of them back to back, no matter when they're scheduled, right? Carbon fiber is okay. I always like it when carbon fiber is contoured, right? I mean, the quality of it's great. I just really prefer it when it's contoured. I think it looks better. Got 3 standoffs back here. Obviously, the screws for them are underneath the carbon fiber, and then we've got some countersunk steel liners in there. Or perhaps, are they titanium? Hang on. I think that's titanium. Yeah, it's not sticking. So that's most likely titanium in there, which is nice. And ergonomically, oh my gosh, yeah, it's wonderful. You can choke right up behind the edge, nice and smooth. I mean, this is going to be the penultimate EDC knife for a lot of people. I just don't know exactly, outside of the, I mean, initially right here, because I can't remember, initially it's just the O-rings on there, but do those come with it, or did he put those on there? I don't really know. I've talked with them on Instagram, the guys from Three Rivers Manufacturing, so I'll probably have a chat with them and make sure that I understand exactly what's different. There's no note in here, so I need to make sure. I'll keep your, let's see here, Adam, I'll keep your address and information here, so I've at least got that. Yeah, please contact me. This is cool. I'm happy to take a look at the newest one for sure, because I know that they're hard to get. Centering, by the way, it's a little bit off, but you know what? That's probably because the pivot has come ever so slightly loose from being played with, which is absolutely normal on any knife. My pivot doesn't come loose. I wouldn't pay for that. If it comes loose. Your pivot's going to come loose eventually. Where are we at here for centering? Maybe I have to mess with the pivot and the body screws a little bit, which is, you know, if I have to, that's fine. I don't want to judge it too hard, and I also don't want to make any major adjustments if the owner doesn't want me to do that. But anyways, I do believe knives in this price range should come centered, but if they come off-centered after a little bit of carry and use, that's not a big deal, right? So I don't want to judge it until I know for sure. But seems nice, incredibly lightweight. Not a review, just first impressions, because it's the first time I've handled this variant. Here in 3 to 4 weeks after I've had a chance to experience it, I will of course do a full comprehensive review. As per usual, if I can, I'll link it down below, but I don't think that's going to work with this one because these are in, as far as I know, extremely high demand. Oh, it says right here, Neutron 2. Oh my gosh. Extremely high demand right now, so probably not something I can link, but I am happy to be able to take a look at it. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for the first impressions on the Neutron 2. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.